Are you looking for the best folding phones? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best folding phones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 features 2 brilliant displays, a 7.6-inch inner screen and a 6.3-inch external one. Its combination of a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip and 12 GB of RAM means it can take on any task, while multitasking software tweaks, including the desktop-like DeX mode, make the device a productivity powerhouse. It costs a lot of money, but Samsung justifies the cost with lots of features, S Pen stylus support, and the latest 5G and Wi-Fi radios. If you are looking for a device to replace your phone, tablet, and maybe even your laptop, the Z Fold 6 is built for you. Number 2. Motorola Razr Plus. The Motorola Razr Plus makes the most of its generous external 4.0-inch display, letting you run virtually any app you want. Meanwhile, the high-resolution, 6.9-inch inner POLED display provides plenty of real estate for typical smartphone tasks. The Razr Plus also sports an IPX8 rating, which means you can submerge it in water up to 1.5 meters deep for up to 30 minutes. If you want complete control over your foldable phone experience, and to possibly even reduce your screen time, the Moto Razr Plus intuitively helps you take advantage of its 2 screens. Number 3. OnePlus Open. The OnePlus Open splits the size difference between the short and wide Pixel and the tall and narrow Z Fold 5, as well as manages to be lighter than both. The outer 6.3-inch display is large, but the inner 7.8-inch panel is massive. The latter is the biggest we've tested in this category. OnePlus also enhanced its software for multitasking, giving the Open a sleek home screen that impresses. Meanwhile, pairing a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and 16 GB of RAM with 256 GB or 512 GB of storage makes the device competitive on benchmarks. If you want the biggest screen you can squeeze into your pocket for a bit less than Google or Samsung's foldables, the OnePlus Open currently leads the pack. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 folds without a gap and lets you access quick bits of information, widgets, and key notifications right from its outer screen. And when you do open it, the internal 6.7-inch screen provides a full Samsung Galaxy experience. The phone has plenty of power thanks to its Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and 12 GB of RAM. It also offers 256 GB of storage by default, which is plenty for most people, and AI-assisted photo editing features. If you want a big Android phone in a tiny package, this device should appeal to you. It's also great for taking creative selfies because the folding screen works as a tripod of sorts. Number 5. Motorola Razr. The Moto Razr packs an enormous 6.9-inch display into a compact package. Its 3.6-inch outer screen lets you run full apps and easily frame selfies with a 50MP camera. Although this device uses a MediaTek Dimensity 7300X chip to keep the cost down, it still performs adequately. Last but not least, the 4200 mAh battery provides over 16 hours of battery life on a single charge. If you want to dip your toe into the world of foldable phones without spending a lot of money, the Motorola Razr is the best value on the market. It isn't as powerful as others but still looks quite fashionable.